伏黒君が来てくれなければ間違いなく全滅していた。だがまだ問題は残っている。彼は味方なのか。
は？されていた。早いなんてもんじゃない。下手したら少ないより。なんなんだこいつは。
What's up, guys? Want to learn this new technique? Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. So let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, if you guys are new to this, I want you guys to get a 3-section foam bow staff. Do not get the real ones yet. My real one is on its way too, because I'm still learning, but at the same time, I'm fast learning when it comes to martial arts weapons, because I've been in martial arts my entire life. It's second nature to me. Right, let's carry on with the tutorial. So first, before we begin this technique, what we're going to do is going to take the midsection and the top section of the 3-section bow staff, put it together. We're going to work on the bottom half. So for this half, we're going to focus on getting across the body from left to right, like so. Boom, left and right. See how I'm going across my left to my right side? Nice and slow. Go ahead and add more speed. Of course, with regular 3-section staff, it may have a different feel to it, but these are foam staff, which is perfect for people who are beginners, people who are just starting out with the techniques, starting out with the weapon. So I highly recommend that. Now for this part too, we're going to take the midsection of the bow staff and the bottom end, and we're going to combine these two together so we can focus on the top part, the one that's going to be swinging on both sides of our body. Now this can be singular and it's going to be double. Now if you haven't done the full section of the figure 8 spin, check out my previous video. Boom, right somewhere in this area. It's somewhere on the screen. Go ahead and click that card and it'll lead you to that. Watch that full video, come right back here. Thank you. Also help out with the watch time, guys. It helps out with my videos and help me produce more videos like this and meet more people, so you know. Go ahead and focus on the singular, which is going to be across the body from left to right, left to right. Now all the way down like this though. Don't go too crazy, but just keep it steady. Right here, left, right, left, right. There's singulars, there's doubles, so you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you do the doubles if you're used to this. But if you're doing singles, I would suggest you do the singles because that's for beginners. But after you get used to doing the singles and go for the doubles, it starts getting easier. After you get that done and you got the bottom half done and the first half done, I would suggest you guys practice both sections separately so you can get used to the movements, because this is going to be difficult. This is an advanced technique, not really for beginners. You got the 3-section foam bow staff. It should be easier and it should definitely make it better for you to try this out without hurting yourself. And wait for my actual 3-section staff to get here, and I want to try this out and all my other stuff too. So once you get used to the hip right here, I want you to hold on to this. Boom, boom. Practice like that the entire time. Both your hands are going to be on both ends of the midsection of the staff. One's controlling the bottom part, which is right here, while the other one is going to be controlling this, the other part. And it's going to work simultaneously. It's like with a figure 8. This will always be the lead, and once you go ahead and go like this, whoosh, ha ha, back, boom, like a figure 8. Same thing with this. Moves to your left, move this to the left, boom, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then speed it up. Now feel free to go back over that to slow it down. How I started off is that I go from this part, I put it on to this side. I set off from this side, and then I go ahead and swing the top part and go over to my left. To my left, then I can go ahead and try to switch it with the other side and move this to my left, and then switch it to the right side. Go like this, whoosh, ha, like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. Once you get used to it, you can start walking with it like so. Walking backwards with it. And that's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, I hope you noticed the cosplay here, the Toji Fushiguro cosplay. I actually made another cosplay too that's in reverse. The pants will be black. Look at all that. The black shirt as well too. I try to get one that looked more like skin tight, like how Toji has his, but you know, hey, that's the end of this video, guys. Go ahead and practice this out, and also share this with your friends. Share this video with anybody else that wants to learn the 3-section staff as well too. Also, go ahead and check out my other YouTube channel, Ronin Motivation. It's my first video is already up there. It's Nightwing voice acting, and it's about motivating you how to step out of your comfort zone. See you later.